Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, keyboard, top cover, hard disk drive assembly, wireless module, display panel assembly, and system board. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the speaker cables for later replacement. Remove the speaker cables from the routing channels on the base enclosure. Release the speakers from the retention tabs and lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure. Remove the speakers. Replacement. Place the speakers into position on the alignment pins on the base enclosure and gently press down to secure them under the retention tabs. Route the speaker cables through the routing channels on the base enclosure.